Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. First of all, wish you a very happy new year. This is the first video of 2022 on my channel. This video is really important to all the students out there, be it an HSC, SSC, Masters, graduation students, because I'll tell you what exactly is going on in Mumbai. There are a lot of students who are not from Mumbai are studying in Mumbai University colleges. There are reputed colleges like Mitibai, Whistling Woods, all of them are forcing their students to come for offline exams from 4th of January, which is just 2 days later. And there are 10 ministers and 20 MLAs in Maharashtra are tested positive. So imagine जब ministers ही safe नहीं है, how they can force students to come and appear for offline examination. So I'm going to tell you each and everything, that what discussion happened currently, what is the government protocol in Maharashtra, and what will happen if you don't appear for offline exams. So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end, because I'm going to tell you each and every detail. There are also students who are there in Mumbai and stuck, and their parents are concerned that they should come back to their hometown, but teachers are telling them not to go back. So there's a lot of confusion. So I'll also give you a solution that what you can do at present, because looking at the number of cases increasing in Mumbai and especially all over Maharashtra is a matter of concern right now. So according to the 16 December statement of Education Minister Varsha Gaikwad, she said that offline examinations होगा HSC और HSC boards का, which will start in March. दोनों ही exams offline conduct किया जाएगा. There will be no online exam, and their offline practicals are starting from this week, like कल से, Monday से, of 12th standard students. Now students are sending me an inbox saying कि ma'am, looking at the situation, how they can force us to come to college, because cases are just rising up. And for your information, 4 days back, Varsha Gaikwad herself was tested positive with COVID. So now students are writing on Twitter that कि अगर minister safe नहीं है तो students जो इतने तादाद में college और school जाते हैं उनका क्या? And there's a hashtag run on the Twitter that cancel offline exam. A lot of students are saying that we are not prepared for offline exams, which is just 2 months later, because from last 2 years we are just doing MCQs and we are studying in an online mode. So yes, there is a whole protest going on and students are really not willing for offline examination. In my personal opinion, I feel that yes, offline exams are important, but right now looking at the situation, it's a lot of stress for the students. But if the cases are rising and students are not able to decide कि online है या offline है, they will not be able to study properly. So the alternative can be, they can have vivas, they can have oral exams, they can have assignments on which a student can be assessed, rather than just depending on offline exam. Yes guys, as of now there is no concrete say of the government on the HSC and SSC exam. Tomorrow there is a meeting of all the ministers, so let's see after these parties and all those things if ministers will get time to look in education sector. वो कल या अगले हफ्ते अनाउंस करेंगे कि फाइनली किस तरीके का एग्जामिनेशन मोड होने वाला है फॉर HSC and SSC. I have put up a poll on Instagram asking that is there any college forcing for offline examination, and I have also received a letter of the principal of Mitibai College forcing master students to come for offline exams from 4th of January, and these students are from outside state. They are literally pleading, writing letters to Mitibai's principal stating that ma'am, it's really difficult looking at the situation, where we'll stay, what we'll eat, but the principal and vice principal is literally adamant saying that you have to come for offline examination. That's so unfair. I would request Education Minister Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, the CM of Maharashtra, should definitely look into this matter, because this is not okay. Colleges being autonomous, yes, the UGC have given them the permission that they can conduct the exam in the mode they want to, but right now it's a matter of students' life. So can colleges force students like this? I mean, force them to come to Mumbai to give the examination, which Mitibai is doing. Whistling Woods have done that. There's Lord's Universal College is doing that. NMIMS is doing that, which is a private college of Mitibai. They are also forcing their PG and master students to come offline in January, which is 4th, 5th, उनके exams शुरू होने वाले हैं. and students are literally crying. They're like, ma'am, it is really difficult for us to go to Mumbai currently, looking at the current scenario. So I would request the Mumbai University and ministers to look into this matter, because this is really serious. And if students fail to give their examinations offline, what is the step? Like, they lose out on the year, because according to what the chief minister said clearly, that there should be an alternative mode, there should be a hybrid mode, there should be an online option as well, looking at the situation till the time everything is not okay. So hybrid ka permission mila tha, but these colleges which I named have literally are forcing students to come for offline exams. Now, talking about the students who are in Mumbai already and are in fix that should they go back to their respective hometown, if you ask me personally, yes guys, you should go back, because right now Mumbai situation is fragile. The number of COVID cases are just spiking up. Delhi में येलो अलर्ट इशू हो गया है, जहाँ पे स्कूल्स ऑलरेडी शट हो चुके हैं, कॉलेजेस को बंद कर दिया गया है. मुंबई में ऑफिशियल नोटिस नहीं आई है, बट आई प्रेडिक्ट कि शायद नेक्स्ट वीक तक आ जाएगी. दैट भी ऑफलाइन कॉलेज या स्कूल फंक्शन नहीं करेंगे. सो येस, आई वुड सजेस्ट प्लीज गो बैक, टेक अ कॉल टू कम बैक इन मार्च, बिकॉज राइट नाउ द वे द डिस्कशन इज गोइंग ऑन, जो कि रिसेंट ही न्यूज मैंने देखी है हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स पे, कि शायद आपका नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर विच इज सेकेंड सेमेस्टर ऑफ FY, जो अभी FY का फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर है जो जैन में होगा, शायद आपका सेकेंड सेमेस्टर भी ऑनलाइन ही होगा. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट TY, ऑल द TYs those who are sending me questions regarding TY BCom and TY BMM, TY BMS, आपके भी एग्जाम्स ऑनलाइन होने के ज्यादा चांसेस है. 80% इट विल बी ऑनलाइन, बट वी हैव टू वेट टिल मार्च, बिकॉज मार्च में जो भी सिचुएशन होगा उसके हिसाब से ही यूनिवर्सिटी या गवर्नमेंट कुछ फाइनल डिसीजन ले पाएगी. सो फॉर द कमिंग इवन सेमेस्टर जो हम बोलते हैं, द फाइनल सेमेस्टर सेकेंड, फोर्थ एंड सिक्स्थ, उसका अब तक फाइनल डिसीजन नहीं होगा. बट ऑड सेमेस्टर विच इज फर्स्ट, थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ, ये तो कंप्लीटली ऑनलाइन. बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस के तो हो चुके हैं और बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस के होने वाले हैं. सो इट इज कंप्लीटली ऑनलाइन. डू नॉट वरी फॉर दैट. द वरी इज ओनली फॉर मास्टर स्टूडेंट्स एंड SSC एंड HSC स्टूडेंट्स. सो इसके लिए ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट नेक्स्ट वीक तक आ जाएगी. आई विल मेक श्योर जैसे ही कोई अपडेट आता है, आई विल पुट इट अक्रॉस ऑन द चैनल. मैं कल ही ये वीडियो डालने वाली थी, बट आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर द कॉन्क्रीट थिंग दैट आई शुड कंपाइल एंड देन पुट इट अक्रॉस टू यू कि ये सिचुएशन है एज ऑफ नाउ. Talking about the new restrictions in Maharashtra and Mumbai, 144 still is on. आप पार्टीज नहीं कर सकते हो, लेट नाइट कर्फ्यू लग चुका है मुंबई में. सो यस, दीज थिंग्स आर देयर, और ये स्ट्रिक्ट होगा. और भी अभी 3 तारीख के बाद majority of the states, like not only Maharashtra but all across India, they will be taking a call on 3rd of January, जो कि कल है. तो देखते हैं कि कल क्या डिसीजन आता है. बट एज ऑफ नाउ देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रिस्ट्रिक्शन इम्पोज्ड ऑलरेडी इन मुंबई. सो यस, लुकिंग एट द सिचुएशन, जो बच्चे मुंबई में हैं, ऑनलाइन अटेंड करने से अच्छा आपकी फैमिलीज के पास आप जा सकते हो. बट प्लीज आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट, टेस्ट योर सेल्फ. अगर कोई सिम्टम्स है तो मत जाइए, एक बार प्लीज टेस्ट करा लेना और फिर ही घर जाना, बिकॉज इट विल बी लाइक स्प्रेडिंग it to your family. So just do a RT-PCR test for you and your family का safety. Just do an RT-PCR test and then go back to your hometown. तो 2-3 दिन में आप डिसीजन ले लो, बिकॉज सब कुछ ऑनलाइन है. मास्टर्स के बच्चे प्लीज मत आओ. शेयर दिस वीडियो, टैग उद्धव ठाकरे, टैग आदित्य ठाकरे, टैग उदय सामंत. Maybe they will be in the better position to give us the solution. And as much I know about the legal situation, if you can't make it to Mumbai, trust me, colleges can do nothing to you. They will have to give you an alternative method of examination. मतलब या तो आपका ऑनलाइन वो कंडक्ट करे या तो पोस्टपोन करे, मतलब कि ऑफलाइन एग्जाम अगर उन्हें लेना ही है. ऑल्सो द पैंडेमिक लॉ के चलते आपको फिर से एग्जाम देने का मौका जरूर मिलता है. तो अगर आप नहीं आना चाहते हो और आप नहीं आ सकते, या कुछ भी सिचुएशन है, आपके घर पे कोई बीमार है, आप बीमार है, तो मत आइए. प्लीज डू नॉट वरी. जस्ट राइट अ रिटन ईमेल. आपके पास कोई प्रूफ होना चाहिए कि आप मुंबई नहीं आ सकते हो फॉर सो एंड सो रीजन. अगर वो मेल का रिप्लाई आता है, वेल एंड गुड. नहीं आता है तो भी दैट इज अ लीगल प्रूफ दैट यू इन्फॉर्म द कॉलेज दैट यू कांट कम टू मुंबई एंड यू आस्क फॉर एन ऑल्टरनेटिव, लाइक ऑनलाइन एग्जाम या ओरल वाइवास, या फिर अ पोस्टपोन डेट wherein you can come and appear for offline exam. So yes, you can do that. This is a simple solution that you can do right now. So yes, please do not panic, because I can read your message and I can feel the anxiety, I can feel the stress. So I just wanted to help you with that. So follow this, do not worry, legally college can do nothing to you. Guys, the video was helpful, and please do share this video so that I can reach out to the students who really need this, because they are stressed and at this point of time they need this update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.